Hi guys, welcome to Nam's channel. Today we're going to do this cute act together, so let's start it. So first we need to do a magic ring just like this, and then we put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over once again to do one chain. For the first round we need to do 6 single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark in, and then we need to do 5 more single crochet. After the 6 single crochet, we pull this end to close the circle in the center, and then we take up the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. And then we do one chain to start our next round. For the next round, the pattern is our single crochet increase. We put our hook into our very first stitch. We can put this end on top of our hook to carry it. And then yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. Just remember to put a mark in. And then single crochet increase means in the same stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. So in this stitch we need to do 1 more single crochet, and then we just repeat doing it 1 stitch, 2 single crochet to the end. And then this is our very last stitch. In this stitch we need to change our yarn color. We first put our hook in the very last stitch, yarn over here, and yarn over, go through 2 loops, do a single crochet. And for next single crochet, we put our hook in, yarn over. In here we need to change our yarn color, and we press it in the end. We just go through it, go through the 2 loops. In here we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. And then we need to do one chain first to start our next round. For next round, the pattern is our single crochet round. We put our hook in, yarn over here, and then go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. Then we just repeat 1 stitch, 1 single crochet to the end. After the last single crochet, we take up our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. In here we do one chain, and then for this round the pattern is 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. We put our hook into the very first stitch, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet. Just remember to put a mark in. And then for second stitch is a single crochet increase. We put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then do it one more time. We just repeat 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase to the end. And then for very last single crochet, we need to change our yarn color. For the single crochet increase, I'll finish the first one, and then for the second one, we put our hook in, yarn over, and in here we grab another color. In here we press it on the back and yarn over here. We take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and do a slip stitch. We do one chain to start our next round. For the following 3 rounds, the pattern is all the same. Our single crochet round, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. We just repeat doing it. So this is the very last stitch for this round. We need to change our yarn color here. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then we grab the pink color here. Go through 2 loops, and then put our hook in, yarn over here, pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. For the next 2 following rounds, we just use this pink color to do our single crochet round, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. Just remember to do a slip stitch to finish each round, and do one chain to start for the next round. And then for the pink color, second round is the very last stitch. We need to change our yarn color. We put our hook in, yarn over here, and then we grab the green yarn here, go through the 2 loops. In here we put our hook in the mark place, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. In here we need to do one chain to start our next round. For the next round, the pattern is a single crochet and a single crochet decrease. We first put our hook into the very first stitch, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. And this is our very first single crochet. Just remember to put a mark. for second stitch, we put our hook into the center of the stitch, and then the next one the same. We put our hook into the center of the stitch, yarn over, go through the 2 half loops, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is a single crochet decrease. We just keep doing it. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 single crochet decrease to the end. After finishing the very last single crochet decrease, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. For the very last round, the pattern is all single crochet decrease. We first do 1 chain to start our next round, and then put our hook into the very first stitch, into the center of it, and then into the center of the next one. Yarn over, go through the 2 half loops, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. So this is our very first single crochet decrease. Just remember to put a mark. We just keep doing it. While crocheting this round, we can feel it. After finishing the very last single crochet decrease, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. We leave about this long and then snip off. And now we are going to close it. And then we put our needle into the center of the stitch, and then skip the next one, put our needle into the center of that one, and then we skip one, then into the center, and skip one into the center here. And then we pull it, we put our needle into the back of the center, and then go through it a couple times. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next time. Bye.